Did you know that public speaking has been around for centuries, dating back to the ancient civilizations of Greece and Rome? It's fascinating to see how our knowledge and practice of public speaking have evolved, thanks to the Western tradition of Greece and Rome.
Greek philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle advanced the study of rhetoric.
Cicero, an ancient Roman philosopher, identified the 5 canons of rhetoric, which are still widely used in creating persuasive public speeches.
During the medieval period, there was a religious interest in persuasion, with St. Augustine, a Christian clergyman and communication scholar, continuing the study of rhetoric, but with a religious perspective. The Renaissance furthered the study of communication and emphasized truth, morality, and accountability.
Francis Bacon advocated for speaker responsibilities in public speaking, shifting the focus to the presenter's ethical responsibilities.
The Enlightenment Period bridged the earlier periods and the current day, with scholars like former United States President John Quincy Adams adding legitimacy and formal interest to the study of rhetoric.
Today, we are in the New School period, which began in 1900 and continues to date. Communication skills are highly valued in all aspects of life, with students often required to take communication classes in high school and college. Higher education offers degrees in communication with focused areas in rhetoric, public address, organizational communication, interpersonal communication, and legal communication.